Ayan guys, nagprito ko ng ano po yan, crab ragoon. Crab ragoon po yan guys, niluluto ko, nagpa-fry. Ayan guys, kung may gawa niyan. Ayan, crunchy. Ayan, masarap. Carrots, crab, stick, ng ingredients. Yan siya. Masarap. Try nyo guys. Crab ragoon.